Canine respiratory illness is making dogs sick at several businesses that board and babysit pets. You just heard what that cough sounds like. Good evening, I'm Emily Vols.
Yeah, it sounds pretty terrible, too. As both we have dog owners, and I know a lot of you are as well. Hi, everyone. I'm Dan Janik, NBC 10 Temi Topa Atalaya live in Pawtucket, where one of those doggy daycares is located. What's the story here, Temi Topa?
Emily and Dan, yeah, that's right. Friends of Toto is just one of several doggy daycare facilities that is seeing the impact, or seeing the effect rather, of this illness that some are saying is mistaken for the kennel cough. Friends of Toto in Pawtucket care for dozens of dogs every day, running back and forth playing with one another. But a wave of a respiratory illness in dogs has put them at risk.
The downside are the challenges that when they start showing symptoms, chances are the damage has already been done. So keeping it out is definitely an uphill battle.
At its peak, they were making 4 to 5 calls a day, telling owners to pick up their dogs after they noticed coughing in some canines. He says their facility is at the tail end of the spread of this respiratory illness that many have called kennel cough. But this one is different, as some dogs later experienced pneumonia. Others reported symptoms including runny nose and difficulty breathing. The Rhode Island state veterinarian has gotten a few calls about the illness, which is hard to pin down.
Kennel cough is often the diagnosis that's given, but when a veterinarian tells you it's kennel cough, they're saying it could be one of several things. It could be canine parainfluenza, it could be canine adenovirus or Bordetella. Could be several of those agents combining at once.
Marshall says most of these cases in the state are so mild that people aren't pursuing additional diagnosis.
It's not like there's this new disease that's out there and people need to be scared about. Just normal precautions, make sure your pets are properly vaccinated and limit exposure to sick animals.
If you're ever concerned or you're not sure, call your vet.
One way to help stop the spread and protect your pooch is to keep your sick dog at home, treating them as though they are a child with the flu. Live in Pawtucket, Temi Topa Atalaya, NBC 10 News.